Hi, I'm Erica Baumann with the K-Rain Water Saving Minute. As a leading manufacturer of irrigation equipment, K-Rain is committed to developing and promoting products aimed at water conservation. Each year, millions of gallons of water are wasted due to the improper use of nozzles in sprinklers. All sprinklers rotate at a constant speed. In the time it takes a sprinkler to turn a full circle, sprinklers set for a quarter circle will rotate 4 times in that 90-degree pattern. If that same nozzle is used on both sprinklers, the quarter circle will receive 4 times more water than the full circle. This results in wasted water and expense. It is estimated that 85% of all sprinklers are installed with the same nozzle. K-Rain's K5 Select is the newest member of our water-saving family. Using K-Rain's patented nozzle selector, the K5 Select makes it easy to apply the proper amount of water in every application. The K5 Select has 4 different nozzles pre-installed in the nozzle turret. Selecting the nozzle and pattern is easy. Using a sprinkler key or a flat blade screwdriver, select your watering pattern and nozzle. When the sprinkler is set to 90 degrees, quarter circle, turn the nozzle selector to nozzle number 1. For 180 degrees, use nozzle number 2. For 270 degrees, use nozzle number 3. And nozzle number 4 for full circle. The flow rates of the pre-installed nozzles are matched to the arc pattern. Your irrigation system is now perfectly matched, and you'll save water and money. K-Rain, water smart technology for a greener world.